Rockets Kid TV.
Know your ABC. Hello children. Today we will learn to recognize letter H. So sound of letter H is ha. H ha ha. H ha. H for helicopter. Hand. H ha. Hot air balloon. Now children, can you see the capital letter H here? Let's stick it together. Yes, that's right. One more time. Can you find capital H and tick it? Yes, correct. Very good. Last time, can you find capital H? Tick it. Hey, good job. Now children, are you able to find small h here? Let's stick it together. Yes, that's right. Good job. One more time. Find the small h and tick it. Yes, correct. Now last time. Let's find small h together. Yes, correct. Well done. Now children, we'll spot the letter H in this box and we will tick it together. Come, let's find out. Yes, that's right. Good. I can see a few more H. Yes, good. Well done. One more is there. Can you find it? Let's stick it together. Yes, that's right. Good job. Now in this box we have to find capital H and tick it. Yes, that's right. One more is there? Yes. Can you find the third one and tick it? Very well done. Good job. Okay, now children, we will tick the picture which starts with letter H. So let's find it and tick it. Yes, that's right. Very good. H for horse. In this picture, can you find? Yes, that's right. H for hat. Now, the last picture we have to find with letter H. Yes, that's right. H for hen. Now, let's spell the word that starts with letter H. Hat, helmet, heart, helicopter, hammer, hippopotamus, hen, hockey, house, honey, horse, hand, hanger, horn. Well done kids, good job.
Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.